Certainly. Motivation is a powerful driving force that compels individuals to take action, pursue goals, and achieve success. Here are a few additional points about motivation. Intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Motivation can be categorized into two main types. Intrinsic motivation comes from within and is driven by personal satisfaction, enjoyment, or a sense of purpose. Extrinsic motivation, on the other hand, is driven by external rewards or incentives such as money, recognition, or praise. While both types can be effective, intrinsic motivation tends to be more sustainable and fulfilling in the long run. Sources of motivation. Motivation can stem from various sources, including personal aspirations, a desire for personal growth, a sense of purpose, passion for a particular activity or cause, the need for achievement, and even external factors such as competition or deadlines. Understanding what motivates you on a deeper level can help you tap into that source and sustain your drive. Motivation and goal setting. Motivation and goal setting go hand in hand. Setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals provides a clear target to work towards, fueling motivation along the way. Well-defined goals help individuals stay focused, track progress, and maintain a sense of direction, which contributes to sustained motivation. Overcoming obstacles. Motivation plays a crucial role in overcoming obstacles and setbacks. It provides individuals with the resilience, determination, and perseverance needed to navigate challenges and keep moving forward. Motivated individuals view obstacles as opportunities for growth and are more likely to find creative solutions and alternative paths towards their goals. Motivation and mindset. Mindset plays a significant role in motivation. A growth mindset, characterized by the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and effort, fosters motivation by promoting a sense of optimism, resilience, and a willingness to take on challenges. On the other hand, a fixed mindset, which believes that abilities are fixed and unchangeable, can hinder motivation by leading to a fear of failure or a lack of confidence in one's abilities. Surrounding yourself with motivation. The people we surround ourselves with can greatly influence our motivation levels. Being in the company of motivated individuals who share similar goals and aspirations can provide inspiration, support, and accountability. Building a strong support network or seeking out mentors and role models who embody the motivation we aspire to can help fuel our own drive. Self-care and motivation. Taking care of our physical and mental well-being is essential for sustaining motivation. Engaging in activities that promote self-care, such as exercise, proper sleep, healthy eating, and relaxation techniques, helps maintain energy levels, reduce stress, and enhance overall motivation and productivity. Remember, motivation is not a constant state and can fluctuate over time. It requires continuous effort, self-reflection, and adaptability. By understanding the factors that drive motivation and implementing strategies to foster and sustain it, individuals can unlock their full potential and achieve remarkable success. Welcome to Unlocking the 10 Tips and Tricks to Stay on Path. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you maintain focus, overcome obstacles, and stay motivated on your journey towards success. Get ready to unlock the keys to staying on track and achieving your goals. 1. Define your why. 1. Explain the importance of knowing your why, the underlying purpose or motivation behind your goals. 2. Encourage viewers to dig deep and reflect on their core values and desires. 3. Share examples of how a strong sense of purpose fuels motivation and keeps you on track. 2. Set clear and measurable goals. 1. Discuss the significance of setting clear and specific goals. 2. Explain the SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound framework. 3. Encourage viewers to break down their goals into smaller, manageable milestones. 3. Create an action plan. 1. Emphasize the importance of creating an action plan to outline the steps needed to achieve your goals. 2. Discuss the benefits of breaking down tasks and setting deadlines. 3. Share strategies for prioritizing tasks and staying organized. 4. Cultivate a positive mindset. 1. Discuss the impact of a positive mindset on motivation and goal attainment. 2. Encourage viewers to embrace optimism and reframe challenges as opportunities for growth. 3. Share tips for practicing gratitude, positive self-talk, and visualization. 5. Seek support and accountability. 1. Highlight the importance of surrounding yourself with a supportive network. 2. Discuss the benefits of accountability partners, mentors, or joining communities with similar goals. 3. Encourage viewers to share their progress and seek feedback. 6. Stay flexible and adapt. 1. Discuss the inevitability of obstacles and setbacks on the path to success. 2. Emphasize the importance of staying flexible and adapting your approach when faced with challenges. 3. Share examples of individuals who persevered by adjusting their strategies or seeking alternative solutions. 7. Celebrate milestones. 1. Highlight the importance of celebrating small wins and milestones along the way. 2. Discuss the positive impact of rewarding yourself for progress and acknowledging achievements. 3. Encourage viewers to take time to reflect on their journey and appreciate how far they've come. 8. Renew your motivation. 1. Share strategies for renewing motivation during challenging times or moments of stagnation. 2. Discuss the benefits of taking breaks, engaging in self-care activities, and seeking inspiration from others. 3. Encourage viewers to reconnect with their initial motivation and remember their ultimate goals. 9. Learn from failure. 1. Discuss the role of failure in the journey towards success. 2. Encourage viewers to view failures as learning opportunities and stepping stones to growth. 3. Share examples of famous individuals who experienced setbacks but ultimately achieved great success. 10. Stay consistent and persistent. 1. Emphasize the importance of consistency and persistence in achieving long-term goals. 2. Discuss the power of daily habits and small, consistent actions. 3. Encourage viewers to stay committed to their goals and to keep pushing forward, even in the face of challenges. As we conclude, unlocking the 10 tips and tricks to stay on path, remember that your journey to success is within reach. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to your goals, you'll develop the resilience and motivation needed to overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. Keep striving, stay focused, and unlock your full potential.